I am going to hit a box.
You see it's got a lot of dirt in it? There it is down there. You ready? Missed. You ready? Oh! You guys see that? Really took a beating there. There's the anvil. That's the end of the video. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. We got... Alright. God, I gotta figure out... Let's see. Right here. We have the anvil surface. The horn is incomplete, alright? That is something I messed up on. Look at how fucking charred that is. Oh, it's bad. And then over here, I still have to work with that. But overall, looks pretty good. Now, what happens if we drop it normally? That. Now, we gotta see it. There it is. Jeez. Damn it. Alright, I'm gonna go and lift it back. Alright, we're back up. Anvil's right there. Now, the first suggestion from Mimi McSteamy, otherwise known as Mimi Steamy, is to drop that anvil right there. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Guys, we got the anvil back. Oh! Oh shit, that was a bad idea. You got the first suggestion from Mimi Steamy down there. That is another anvil. Alright, here we go. I missed. Yeah, alright, we got a direct hit on that one. Let's see what happened. Oh my god. Minimal damage, Mimi Steamy. See that? Caused a little bit of scarring right there. We had a really nice thud noise as it hit, though. Look at how much the anvil got embedded into the ground. Well, that was that. Wow, okay. Next one from me. Dropping on an orange. Brilliant idea. Alright, there we go. That's the orange right there. That's the anvil up there. Here we go. Alright, you ready? By the way, it's easier to drop like this. Screw you. Here we go. It's not lined up. Done one. Oh, the touch. Alright. Any significant damage? Orange. I don't think that suffered anything too serious. I just missed it by a hair. Alright, on to round two. Oh my god, that was insane. Would you look at that? Did not really end so well for our friend the orange. Anyways. Look at the kind of dent that caused in the ground. Jeez. Stuff's kind of brutal. Let's go. This stuff. I don't know, my parents keep on using it for the creamer and whatever, and I took two of the bottles I had and I filled them to the brim into one. And this is going to explode probably. And then get down like that. Alright. Alright, check this out. You ready? Should probably make sure none of the cats are down there because they die. One. Best cat, except for Oscar. Anyways, here we go. This gotta be... That was so brutal. Jesus Christ. Look at this. Okay, so it hit the back end. The back end completely gave out. And you see some remnants of like stain here. But as we progress, there's more and more of it until you get to about here, where it's just everywhere. And there's even some on the other side of the wall. Jeez. Look at that. And the anvil landed upright just on him. Oh, yeah, that thing got... And then look at this. Yeah, that got obliterated. And look, you even get to see a little indent. Just wipe that away there. Alright, what's next?
See, the next thing I'm going to destroy is going to be a gallon of water. It is not a typical gallon of water. It is one that I purchased at a Costco retailer store. That is all I had available. If I would have had the other brand, I would have used that without a shadow of a doubt. I hope I can find forgiveness in using the incorrect brand. Thank you for your consideration, and please definitely go to the Macro Macallan.
Should I have it standing straight up or this way? Let's do straight up. Alright, here we go. Somebody play the song. Again, no idea what I'm talking about. Oh, jeez. Alright, there it is, right there. I suffered a lot of external damage. This is how it normally is. I'm assuming the anvil hit right there. There was a fracture along here, which was compounded by kinetic force that traveled down there. Anvil's a bit muddied, bloodied. A lot of water filtered out, and the cap was completely crushed and scattered.
And that's why we wear helmets. Is looking cool really worth your life? I don't think so. That could happen to anybody. That could be your head, and it will be, if you're not careful. Please exercise caution while biking.
Jesus Christ. Hey guys. I never wanted to do it. It's not something that crossed my mind. I thought it was a joke. Wouldn't happen. Just how that was funny. Beef Wellington. Then I realized. Jesus. Sit. No, fuck, whatever. Then I realized. If you want to be a YouTuber, you have to be a committed ooter. Yes, if you have not already guessed, this piece of artwork right here, it fell apart. I'm going to break this. Well, let me fix it real quick. Okay, I did the best I could. Yeah, dropping an anvil on it. Now it's time for Beef Wellington's submission. Slide whistle. Let's go. I never wanted to do this, but it's what has to happen. There it is. Let me just... Oh, are you kidding me? Nice tune. Here we go. Goodbye, Mr. Slide Whistle. Mr. Anvil's on his way. I'm reminded of the great Mansa Musa, the 15th of Spanaway, Kirk. He said, with dragons, I eat lions. And with lions, we rule the world. Goodbye, my love.
Guys, that was so sad. Please like if you cried.
That was dramatic. What do we got here? Oh, yes. That was minimal damage. There you go, Beef Wellington. I did it. Oh, and it broke the cap off. Whatever, all I wanted was this top piece right here anyways. The thing was already broken. Bye.
Can't believe I destroyed my slide whistle. And this right here is all that's left. So I brought another one. They're like $1, it doesn't really matter. I haven't really played it yet, so let's see what happens.
Ground control to Major Tom. Ground control to Major Tom. Take your protein pills and put your helmet on. Ground control to Major Tom. Sing countdown engines on. Check ignition and may God's love be with you. This is ground control to Major Tom. You really made the grade, and the papers want to know whose shirts you wear. Now it's time to leave the capsule if you dare. This is Major Tom to ground control. I'm stepping through the door, and I'm floating in the most peculiar of ways. And the stars look very different today. For here am I sitting in a tin can, above the world. Planet Earth is blue, and there's nothing I can do. Meme review. Though I'm plus 100,000 miles, I'm feeling very still. And I think my spaceship knows which way to go. Tell my wife I love her very much, she knows. Ground control to Major Tom, your circuit's dead, there's something wrong. Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear? Am I floating in a tin can? Far above the moon. Planet Earth is blue, and there's nothing I can do.
Oh man. Yeah, so overall that was pretty good.